It wasn't long ago that I was using and reviewed the HiTune X5, and right now they have launched another awesome device here, and of course it's the next iteration, the HiTune X6 by UGREEN, and it now has a hybrid active noise cancelling feature which is not present in the X5 series. So are you excited? Let's open. So hi guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So I have here something from our friends from UGREEN, and it's the X6 HiTune, which is the latest iteration of the X series. And I know that this buds is really something, and let's check some quick specs here at the back. So it has a 35 decibel noise cancellation, 50 ms ultra low latency, which is of course nice for gaming, 6 mic noise cancelling, and of course ear catching sound quality. And of course here some other specs that you might want to check out. And yeah, based on what I know, this one can last you up to 26 hours of usage, including of course the charge from the case. And yeah, I'm excited to open this one. So here are some of the modes that you can use. Let's just run it down quickly. So single tap on the left or right ear, play or pause. Next track, just triple tap on the R earbud. Previous track, just triple tap on the left earbud. Volume up, double tap on the R. Volume down, and double tap on the L. So some call features that you want to use single tap to answer or end a call. To decline a call, press and hold L or R earbud for just 2 seconds. Now EQ switch, for normal and gaming modes, you just need to switch quadruple tap on the left or right earbuds. Okay, so voice assistant, just press and hold L or R earbud for 2 seconds. And this one, the new one, the noise cancelling, press L or R earbud for 1 second to switch ANC on and off. Okay, so you need to press it together, then release it after you hear the voice prompt. So that's quite easy. So upon opening, we can see that it's really nice. Okay, so I'll give you a quick comparison later with the X5 that I have. So here's the user guide, which is inside. So you can see that it's a little bit new design. The design is quite new, and we have some spare buds over here. And taking it out of the pouch, you can see that the LED light is no longer the 3 dots up front. Okay, so you have a matte finish, two-tone this time around, and you have the UGREEN logo up there. Then inside we got 2 buds, of course the left and the right. And I think the design looks better this time around as compared to the X5. Okay, so the two-tone, I really love two-tones, and probably the in thing these days. It's a matching color between black and gunmetal color, which is one of my favorite colors, gunmetal. And you can see it's already blinking, ready to pair, as well as the other buds is also probably blinking. Okay, so yeah, so you can see the design. It's something a little bit similar to that of the X5, but of course it is a little bit distinct on its own. Now taking a quick tour at the back, we have the pairing button and of course a USB Type-C port. Now bringing out our X5, you can see this one is a little bit bigger compared to the X5. So we have the pair button at the back, but the charging is at the rear for the X5. Other than that, it's almost similar. Okay, so I'll take one bud out of this one and compare it. Okay, so you can see that the design is almost strikingly similar, except that the color. Okay, so I'll pick the similar one. Okay, so comparing both left buds, you can see that the front is the same, nothing different except the color. Even the placement of the LED bulbs the same. Yeah, so you can see at the side, this one is a little bit more protruded out as compared to this one. So the design is a little bit different at the back, but up front it's almost the same. Now you can see that this one is probably more ergonomic. Okay, so probably it might fit better to the ears, but I love my X5. Don't get me wrong, I've been using this for quite some time, and this one I'm already using this for quite a couple of days, and I love the features that this one has to offer, which is not present on the X5. Now, if you ask me, both are comfortable in their own ways, but of course, there's something that is probably more comfy here on the X6. The design here, probably the angle towards the inside of your ears is a little bit better compared to the X5. So yeah, based on the feel, I can say that this one also feels good. Nothing really special compared to the X5. Both are snug fit on my ears. Both I tried running the treadmill. It was able to hang around until I finished. So like I said, I was able to use this for a couple of days. So yeah, pairing it to my new phone. It's just as simple as this. Okay, so just need to press pair to X6, and the rest is history. Okay, so yeah, was able to pair it as easy as that. So was able to try this running the treadmill for a couple of 20 minutes or so. So was able to enjoy it, and I did play some good music while running the treadmill, like Maroon 5 and some Ed Sheeran song. Was able to say that I'm able to say that it's really clean, and the bass is pretty fair enough. Not really towards loud bass, but it's more of a balanced earbuds. I believe that this X6 is geared more toward the active noise cancelling. So I was able to bring this outside to quite a noisy place like a coffee shop, and yeah, I turned on the active noise cancelling, and comparing it to the X5, which doesn't have the ANC, this one it was able to, well, at least uh, deflect away some noise from the outside world while I'm listening, enjoy my music. And yeah, I can say that it's really nice. And as compared to the X5, the X5 is somewhat still was able to hear some of the outer noise from, of course, the people standing by. And yeah, it's really kind of turn off when you're listening to your favorite music, and of course all the people around you is talking like they don't care at all. Yeah, this one is probably one of your best bet, especially when you commute during the public especially when you commute on the public transport, like on the train, on the plane, or wherever it is inside the public transport. This one I can say that it's really nice. Well, that you're able to cancel out those noise that you don't like. Now I was able to play some games like the Call of Duty together with these buds, and I can say that yeah, the gameplay was nice, and it was able to probably at least hang on together. It didn't drop, but there are some on some occasion it kind of feel that it's a little bit lag, but it said that the latency is just 50 ms. But there are on some occasion, not frequent, just a few. I can say that some of the gunshot was a little bit left behind during the gameplay. But overall, I can say that yeah, it's still pretty nice, and I was able to turn on the ANC during the gameplay, and it's definitely nice. I was really enjoying this one. Now, comparing this to the X5, of course, you might want to go on and buy the X6, and it's really something nice. And I can see that probably this one fits a little bit better on my ears as compared to the X5. But yeah, not really that different, but both are comfy, but this one probably is a little bit more comfier compared to the X5. Now guys, if you want to know where you can buy this one, the HiTune X6 with active noise cancelling, I drop it on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here from my channel. And so I'm Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?